best and working promo codes for Wienerschnitzel website here in front of me. To do this, you simply have to search the same on your Chrome Google browser and then click on the first website. As you can see, this is the food website in front of you, and this is the first website from I'm showing you the promo codes that where you can find them. So this is the official website as you can see, and on the official website whenever you will search like food location or coupon franchises, you will see this menu. Now, click on the second website called VThrift. In this website also you will get free and the best working promo codes or discount code for this website. Click on the copy code option to copy it and then paste it right on the payment page on your website. Now this is the third website called noji.com, and this you will see on the home page same menu like all other website, but you have to simply select and only select the verified promo codes. Here you can see all are verified. Copy it and enjoy it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.